intro. Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility, where we dive deep into the most innovative and luxurious vehicles hitting the streets. Today we're looking at the 2025 Mercedes G53 Brabus, a true testament to automotive excellence. If you're a fan of high-performance SUVs with unmatched style, you are going to love this one. Let's break down the G53 Brabus in detail, from its sleek exterior to the luxurious interior, performance, and rich history behind it. Exterior design. At first glance, the 2025 Mercedes G53 Brabus demands attention. It features a bold and aggressive front end, with a distinctive Brabus grille that's more than just eye-catching. The G-Class is known for its boxy, iconic silhouette, but with Brabus touch, it's taken to a new level. The wide fenders, matte finishes, and sportier elements make this SUV stand out even more on the road. Custom wheels, twin tailpipes, and the sporty rear diffuser bring a performance-oriented edge while maintaining its classic G-Class roots. Interior design. Step inside the G53 Brabus, and you're greeted by a lavish cabin that blends cutting-edge technology with top-tier luxury. Premium leather wraps the seats and dashboard, and you'll notice carbon fiber accents and Brabus-specific stitching. The seating is not just comfortable but highly supportive, offering a perfect mix of style and function. The cabin is spacious with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, and the tech suite includes the latest MBOX system, complete with a large touchscreen, voice control, and integrated navigation. Performance. When it comes to performance, the G53 Brabus is a powerhouse, powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. This SUV delivers an astonishing 700 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that offers lightning-fast shifts. The all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional handling, whether you're cruising on highways or taking on rugged terrain. With Brabus tuning, this SUV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, proving that luxury and performance go hand in hand. History and legacy. The G-Class has always been synonymous with strength and luxury, and Brabus has taken that to the next level. Over the years, Brabus has become known for pushing the boundaries of design and performance, transforming already impressive Mercedes vehicles into extraordinary machines. The G53 Brabus continues this legacy, setting new standards in the SUV market. Outro. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Mercedes G53 Brabus, an SUV that delivers on every front: luxury, performance, and style. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews here at Next Gen Mobility. Thanks for watching.